They say betrayal hurts the most when it comes from the person you trusted with everything. I didn't lose her that night. She lost me. And she didn't even realize it, until it was too late. The gala looked perfect from the outside. Crystal chandeliers, expensive laughter, polished smiles, and her, standing beside me like she belonged there. She wore white, elegant, untouchable. But something in her eyes felt distant. I saw it when she thought I wasn't looking. A message lighting up her phone. A smile that wasn't meant for me. I didn't ask who it was. I already knew. From the balcony the city looked calm. Rain sliding down the glass. Inside the party continued. Inside me, something shifted. Trust doesn't break loudly. It cracks in silence. I raised my glass. Toasted to loyalty. Watched her avoid my eyes. She thought she was playing smart. She underestimated one thing. Me. An envelope on the table. A hidden glance. A whisper too close to another man. That's when I stopped being her fiancé. And started becoming her lesson. She laughed at his joke. Touched his arm. In front of everyone. Including me. My grip tightened around the glass. Not from anger. From clarity. This wasn't an accident. It was a choice. The guests noticed nothing. Wealth hides scandals well. But I noticed everything. Every glance. Every lie. I walked through the crowd calmly. Smiling. Nodding. Already planning the end. Outside the rain grew heavier. And inside she sealed her fate. My office was quiet that night. Screens glowing. Contracts open. I didn't need revenge. I needed precision. The truth always leaves a trail. Private transfers. Shared investments. Hidden meetings. I followed every one of them. I signed nothing blindly. I trusted nothing fully. Especially not her. She thought the company was ours. It wasn't. Not anymore. In a quiet cafe I made one final call. And everything shifted. The next gala arrived faster than she expected. This time, I was prepared. She smiled at the cameras. Played the perfect partner. She had no idea the spotlight was about to change direction. I stepped forward. Took the microphone. The room quieted instantly. I thanked our investors. Our partners. Our loyal supporters. Then I thanked her. For teaching me the importance of control. And that's when I announced it. The transfer of ownership. The restructuring of shares. The legal separation of assets. All finalized. All signed. All irreversible. The room went silent. Her face turned pale. The confidence disappeared from her posture. She tried to interrupt. Tried to laugh it off. But the documents were already displayed on the screen behind me. Proof doesn't argue. It simply exists. Whispers started spreading across the ballroom. Cameras flashed. Investors leaned forward. And she finally understood. She was never in control. I wasn't reacting. I was executing. I handed the final folder to the board chairman. Then I looked at her one last time. Not with anger. Not with hatred. With calm finality. I thanked her publicly. For showing me who she really was before it was too late. Then I walked away. No shouting. No chaos. Just silence following my steps. Rain washed the streets clean that night. I stepped outside into the cold air and felt something unexpected. She called the next morning. Then again. Then again. Apologies sound different when power shifts. Regret always arrives late. She said it was a mistake. She said she was confused. She said she never meant to hurt me. But betrayal isn't an accident. It's a decision. And she made hers. The city moved on. So did I. New contracts. New expansions. New opportunities. The company thrived without her. Stronger. Cleaner. Focused. Power isn't loud. It doesn't scream in anger. It waits. It observes. It acts at the right moment. She thought she lost a relationship. She thought I would beg. She thought I would fight for her. She was wrong. She didn't lose a man. She lost access. She lost protection. She lost position. She lost a kingdom she didn't even realize she was standing in. And the worst part? She understood it when it was already gone. I never looked back, because some lessons only hurt once. But their consequences last forever. If you were in my place, would you forgive her? Or would you walk away, richer in silence?